Okay, here we're again going to do another couple of pivot table tasks, focusing specifically on filtering just to help you get the hang of the different ways we can look at information. And this is again the dog one, and we're looking at this time to search for details for 3 specific breeds of dogs for all branches and all months. So again, as before, we click somewhere in the middle of our table, insert, pivot tables, and again it highlights the range for you. You click OK. So what do we want to find? Well, we're looking for details of all branches, all months, for 3 breeds of dogs. We can discuss the 3 breeds of dogs in a second. So think about in your mind how you might want this to look and how you think the layout should be. Think about making it as easy to read as possible and as simplified. So I think, in my opinion, months, again, down the left hand side, make it easy to read because there is only the 6 months. And then along the horizontal, I would suggest we have our branches. Again, you can quite easily see all your branches. You've got a grand total, and then we can add in our number sold, which populates the area in the centre. Next part, we want to be able to filter. We want to be able to choose which specific breed of dog we want to look at. So as our filter, let's drag in dogs. Now, if you click on your drop down, just like filtering before, it lets you select which option you want to look at. Now, we want to select multiple items, and that automatically ticks all the ones for you. Let's deselect all, and let's see we look at Dalmatians. Let's see we look at Labradors, and why not a Collie for all branches. In fact, let's take out Dalmatian and put in a Spaniel, and let's just click OK, and that summarises all the sales for all the branches that sold these kind of dogs in that specific month. Just a way to try and simplify the kind of data you were looking for. We could break that down even further. We could select all dogs and click OK, and let's break that down to one specific month. So all dogs, all branches, and say we want to look at June. And it helps us to work out how many animals were sold and bought over that time period. So a way to show which branches are performing, which ones aren't performing, your top performing areas. And it helps you to analyse the data you have there. It makes it easy to interpret. From a business point of view, it makes it more straightforward to make decisions. So we've done a little bit of work on filtering here. What I want to look at next is to, in the next couple of videos, to show you how to change the format of your data to maybe change from sum to count to average, and that'll come in the next couple of clips.